Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Bundles, and today's video is a vlog video. So today on the agenda, I'm going to stop and see Grandma. I'm also going to get my nails done, and I'm going to do some work for my business, and I plan on taking the kids to the park. So we'll see how much of all of that gets done. And we also want to have movie nights. I'm going to be going to the store to get some snacks so we can do that. I haven't done a whole lot today. Besides me trying to get this video uploaded, it's been taking forever. I've literally been trying to upload this video from my phone since this morning. And when I say this morning, I'm referring to like around 8 o'clock. So I haven't had the best luck with that. I am almost done with my book. I have like less than 50 pages to go, and I'll be completely done with the 5 levels of leadership. I'm really proud of myself. This will be the second book that I completed since I really started to take reading seriously. So I am happy about that. I'm pulling up to my grandmother's nursing home. I'm gonna go in. Normally I go and see her on Sunday after church, but because I'm on the side of town and my nail appointment isn't until 3, right now it's 2, I'm going to spend some time with her, and then I do plan on coming back tomorrow after church. I was planning on vlogging tomorrow too, but I don't know how that's going to go because I kind of want just to relax tomorrow because I have been doing a lot. So I know I do plan on going to church, but I don't know if I'm gonna like vlog after church. After going to church and seeing my grandma, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. So that's what I have on the agenda. I do want to encourage you all to sign up for my mailing list if you have not done so already. I am going to be offering and including different trainings on my website. There was a training that passed already for AI marketing. So people that were interested in that were able to take advantage and tune in. So just stay connected with me so that you know what other resources or information that I have for you all. The training was not led by me. It was led by another company. But I want to share with you all of the resources that I do have. So if you're not subscribed to my email mailing list, do so now, especially if you're interested in business. If you're wanting to stay on top of what's trending, if you're wanting to stay on top of different tips for your business, different software that comes out, different merchants. I mean, just different information. It's, like I said, the AI training already passed, but I do plan to update the calendar on my website. It's on the homepage very soon. And then also, you know, I do my podcast, and you know, I'm gonna keep coming to y'all with videos on this channel. So just stay connected with me. Go to the website. The website is keepingupwithbrittany.com. The link is going to be down below, and you can go ahead and sign up for the mailing list. It's literally like a pop-up. So before you exit out of the pop-up, go ahead and put your email address in. Please and thank you. So I'm going to remind you all to give the video a thumbs up. Please make sure you are subscribed. Leave a comment also. That's going to help push the video out, and it's going to help YouTube's algorithm. So let's go ahead and do that. Where's my car key? Oh, right here. I'm probably not gonna vlog the whole time I'm in here. I'm gonna put my phone back in my case because I take it out so that it can stay on in my car better for recording. Oh God. And this is a surprise. My grandmother literally does not even suspect that I'm coming up right now. Why does the light look like that? This stuff. Oh, I don't know why it looks like that in the light. Okay, so now I am leaving my grandmother. She's playing bingo, so she was having a lot of fun. She looks super cute today, and I'll probably be back tomorrow because my mom's programming her tablet. So I'm gonna pick up her tablet from my mom and bring it back up here for her. That way she can FaceTime us and stuff off of her tablet. So now I'm going to make it to my nail appointment. I'm not getting anything extravagant done to my nails. I'm kind of on the fence as to if I want to keep a square shaped nail or if I want to get my nails like more rounded. I'm not sure yet, but we're going to see. Also, I'm undecided on the color too, so I don't know if I'm gonna go light or dark. I don't know, not sure, but I will head to the nail shop and I'll pick you all up when I get there or when I leave or somewhere in between. All right, so I'm not going to Walmart this time. I'm not trying. I went to this shop last time and I've gone to this shop before too. I've actually been going to this person since I was in high school, on and off. So they have changed locations, but it's still the same nail techs. And I'm gonna go to them today just to get in and out. They were the only place that I could make an appointment with today, because every place else was booked up. Either that or they don't do appointments on Saturday. So I'm gonna go in. I'm a little early for my appointment. I thought I would get here right on time, but I'm a little early still, which is okay. I'd rather be early than late. And about to walk in. Okay, so I'm leaving the nail shop and I'm not really happy with how they look. But most of all, like the ends aren't neat. And they're really pointy. And I did ask for them to fix it. And they tried, I believe, but it just didn't. It's still not to my liking. Look how pointy that is. Look at the ends. Look at the ends. Literally too pointy. One of the worst things is like leaving the nail shop and having to fix your own nails still. But they're not too bad. I do like the color. It's just the pointy ends that really got me. This is the color I got. I got a nude color. They look cute. It's just those pointy ends, but it feels better now. A lot better. So I'm gonna run over to the grocery store. I was gonna just go into the Dollar Tree and get some snacks for the movies, but I'm just gonna go to the grocery store to have more of a selection. So I don't think I'm gonna pick you all up in the grocery store. Probably gonna pick you all up when I get home. That snag on something again? All right. I'll pick y'all back up in just a little bit. everyone. So today is the next day. I just got back from church and I did go over to my mom's house for a little bit. And I also went to Tropical Smoothie, and now I'm about to record. My mom's actually doing Tyra's hair, so I'm going to go get her in a little bit. And I'll show you all the finished finished result of her getting her hair done. But I'm going to record my podcast as soon as I find my tablet. Excuse me, I have the tablet case right here, but the tablet's not in it. I think it may be on the side of my bed. So gotta get my tablet because I have my notes in there. And my goal is to finish my book today. This is how much I have left. That's how much I read. I want to finish that so I can start my next book. Hopefully I'll have it finished today. But yeah, what I'm going to do is just record my podcast. That's coming out later on tonight. If you have not tuned into the Brittany Bundles podcast, do so please. This is going to be the credit awareness segment that I'm recording, and I'm answering you all's questions. So any questions that you left under the videos or questions that you left under or on my website, keepingupwithbrittany.com, I'll go over some of those today in this podcast episode. So stay tuned, but let me go ahead and get started recording, and I'll pick you all back up in just a little bit. So I got done recording. What's the big? Okay. I got done recording my podcast. I'm going to edit it. I'm putting Tyra to sleep right now. I'm about to doze off myself probably. What else I need to do? I need to get this I do need to edit my podcast, but I'm also going to go ahead and get this video edited and uploaded for today. What's wrong? What's wrong? I cannot believe how fast Tyra grew. Like, it seems like I was literally pregnant just yesterday. Cannot believe it. But yeah, I'm not gonna keep the vlog going on too long. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up here, and I'm gonna get started with my podcast. I want to thank you all for watching. I did end up watching The Mermaid again last night. The boys put something else on, so we had like a movie night, but I ordered The Mermaid on YouTube so I can watch it on my phone and I can watch it on my tablet, and I have my earpods, so I can kind of watch wherever, but I'm glad I have that added to my collection. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Like I mentioned, I want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.